Isn't this shoe bench stunning that I was gifted from the brand? I'm so excited to tell you about it and what you are going to want to know. So here we have this bench inside of our living room, and doesn't it look so good? So I absolutely love that it comes with a cushion. It is a heathered gray, and as you can see, it has plenty of sponge to it and thickness, so it is comfortable to sit on. I absolutely love this oak wood texture of it, along with these leather like handles, just making it super convenient and easy to slide the drawers. And then inside it comes with this UV light deodorizer, which I absolutely love. And you can just see plenty of space for the different shoes along with that bottom section. I love how convenient and practical the shoe bench is. I can come in from a days out, be able to switch shoes if I want to, or put my slippers on. And then I love how comfortable the bench is to sit on. So then I can easily put my shoes on while remaining comfortable, and then put my shoes in the deodorizer to get sanitized. Anyways, this is so worth it. If you're looking for a shoe bench, I definitely recommend this one.